Want to add Microsoft Copilot to your Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Edge. Now, as you can see, there is Copilot icon over here. Simply click on it and you can use Copilot here for free. Now, if you want to use Copilot in Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook, then you first want to check your Microsoft 365 plan. Copilot is only available to Microsoft 365 Business Standard, Business Premium, or Enterprise customers who have purchased Copilot license. If you're on personal or family plan, you won't have access unless you upgrade and buy the Copilot add-on. So, once eligible, sign into your Microsoft 365 account at office.com, open any supported app like Word, and you should see the Copilot icon. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.